equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the original keyboard on your Lenovo Yoga. This task requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, so let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by powering off your Lenovo Yoga and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power in the device. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Now, find the keyboard connector, which is usually situated near the top of the device. Carefully detach this connector using your tweezers. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, you'll need to remove the old keyboard. This typically involves unscrewing a few screws that hold it in place. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as they are essential for securing the new keyboard. Once the screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from its position. You may need to use the spudger to help pry it loose if it's stuck. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to clean the area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure that your new keyboard sits properly and functions well. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Press it down gently to secure it in place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to hold the keyboard firmly. After the keyboard is secured, reconnect the keyboard connector and then the battery connector. It's important to ensure these connections are snug to avoid any issues later on. Finally, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Now, power on your Lenovo Yoga and test the new keyboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we provide quotes before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo Yoga. Enjoy your refreshed device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.